Hey Natalie, what are you doing, little bug? Hey Natalie. Is that your gator? Is that your gator? Is this Gary the gator? Rah, rah, rah. He's gonna get you. He's gonna get you. Rah, rah. I'm eating Natalie. Rah. Nom nom nom. Nom nom. Nom 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 nom. Oh, oh, got a mouse. Huh, Natalie. You are so adorable. Look how tiny your head is when I put my hand on it. Got a little tiny baby head. And blue eyes still. Hopefully they stay blue, huh? Huh. That way they can look like your mom's. Okay, say goodbye, Natalie. Bye, Natalie. Bye, adorable. Love you, Natalie. She's all excited, right?